on my DIY, James's DIY project channel, I am going to build or upgrade my dirt holder to a 4-tier planter. So I already have the materials cut in my garage, so I'm going to take you guys in there and I'm going to start assembling it. Talk to you then. Building the 3 tiers which you saw me build on top of the one I have outside, which is where I have my dirt holding space, which will make a 4th tier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a garbage bag to the bottom of it, because I want to isolate the dirt that I have in there from the dirt that I'm going to have in the rest of these, so that I don't cross-contaminate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to staple them. Keep watching. Building my 4-tier planter. I'll see you guys outside. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you look here, you'll see I'm putting the 2nd tier onto my raised part. Like I said, this used to be this my storage spot for extra dirt. Now I'm changing it into a 4-tier cart. So I'm just about to attach the drill through, so keep tuned. went and just touched up the last tier to go on. So I'm just gonna fit it and then screw it in. Here is my dirt storage space turned into a 4-tier planter. As you can see at the first tier right here, I have 5 inches in between, then I have 7.5, and then I have just under 7.5, 7 3/8, and this one is just a bit shyer right here. That one right there is just a bit shyer, and it's the same with these ones. They go down just a bit. 5, 7 3/4. That's 7, just under 7 3/8. It's just because I needed to get it so I could get the wood screwed together. And I will be putting dirt into this when I do my mixed soil. So like the creation of topsoil, ash, volcano ash, and all that. And the reason there is garbage bags on the bottom is because I wanted to seal it from cross contamination.